Hello everyone, this is Murder Mystery 2. I will be trading him a godly knife for pets. So, she's give me neon fly-ride kit soon, but I'm going first. Let's see if this is a scam or not. Okay. I think, oh my gosh, I don't have any. Oh my, I only have a purple seer, but it's okay. I don't have any godly. I only have one. Okay. So let's try. Okay guys. Let's see if this is true. I'm getting worried. I'm literally shaking. Oh my gosh. Let's see if this is a scam or not. Please don't be scam. Oh no. It's a scam, guys. So, do you remember that? Huh? This is her username. Yeah, that. Please report him. I literally cutting some scammer because of this. Anyway, guys, it's just a godly. I don't like that godly anymore. So, report that scammer. I try scammer more. Make sure to like and subscribe for more videos. I will doing this for maybe tomorrow or others. So guys, thanks for watching. Bye. That girl is a scammer. Okay.